Welcome to PrepEdge USA. Let's see if you're smarter than your friends. 20 questions, 4 options each. No pausing, just thinking. Let's go. Which US state grows coffee commercially? C. Hawaii. Which city has the busiest airport in the US? C. Atlanta. Which state has the most active volcanoes? D. Alaska. Which river separates Texas and Mexico? C. Rio Grande. What's the highest military honor in the US? C. Medal of Honor. Where is Area 51 located? C. Nevada. What's the Vice President's official residence called? D. Number 1 Observatory Circle. Which amendment ended slavery? A. 13th. What's the oldest university in the US? D. Harvard. Which ship brought the Pilgrims in 1620? A. Mayflower. Which landmark was gifted by France? D. Statue of Liberty. What's the tallest building in the US? D. One World Trade Center. Which state has the most national parks? C. California. Who's on the US dime? C. Roosevelt. What's the legal voting age in the US? B. 18. Which state is called the Land of 10,000 Lakes? B. Minnesota. Which desert is in the southwest US? B. Mojave. What's the US national anthem? C. Star-Spangled Banner. Where is the Grand Canyon? C. Arizona.